Good day and welcome to the channel. In this short video we're going to explain how to change the tire on your bike. It's not rocket science, but it is a little harder than most people think it is. Get your new tire out, and you gotta let it breathe like a fine wine. Careful when you're cutting this, don't cut the tire. There we go. Unroll it, because it's been in a box for a long time. It's gonna want to go back in that shape. So what you need to do is get it into the shape of an actual tire. But just squish it around. Let it sit for a few minutes. There we go. Just throw that on the ground like that. Take the air out. Now when I was a kid, I used to take these off with spoons. You just use the back of the spoon and pry it up. Why spoons? Because my parents' spoons were rounded. Yeah, but today we have these little tire removal tools and tire installation tools. The pair of them cost $3. Some good tires come with them, some tubes come with them. You don't need them, but they're really helpful. So I'm going to use it to take it off because I've got one. Take it in, pry it up and over. Take this, hook it in. There you go. Try to be careful not to pinch the tube. There we go. Put the tube back on, making sure that the stem is straight. This will not go on and stay on. You just want to sort of get it in place. There you go, just like that. Now, take your new tire, and you might think you want to put one side on. You don't. You just want to get it so it's centered. Don't worry about it being bunched up a little bit because we're going to fix that before we do anything. So now the tire's just on. Now you want to make sure that that stem is still straight and that there's not too many bunches. So what you want to do is just run your fingers around, and if you see a bunch, pull it out. Much easier with the new tube because they're tighter. But anyway, there you go. Make sure there's some, if you have a new tube, make sure you put a little bit of air in it. It needs it. And now just start prying it over on one side. Oh, and another thing, make sure you're putting the tread on the right way. On the front tire, you can probably flip around, but on the back, not so much. So you want to make sure that it's rolling the way you want it to. Start worrying about the tube even a little bit more. Yeah, that tube looks okay. So we've got one side on, now we've got to do the other. So make sure that stem is pulled down and straight, and just work your way around. And again, make sure you don't have any bumps in the tube. Otherwise, you'll have a bump in your tire, and you don't want to have that. You want a smooth tire. If it comes out a bit, don't worry about it. Just make sure that stem is out. So let's start using the tools. So you pop it in, flip it over. That's amazing. I've done these a few times and I've really needed to use these tools, but I didn't have to this time. Okay, great. Make sure that stem is pulled out nice and straight. Give it some air, but don't blow it up completely. There, 20 pounds, that's enough. Yeah, see the bulge here? Not good. Gotta get that back on. Oop, too much pressure. What I like to do is just go around now that there's this little bit of pressure in it, and just make sure that there's no spots that are sticking up, no spots that are stuck down. So I just sort of pull it out a bit, all the way around with my thumbs. And I'm feeling on this side as well for it. And I think that's pretty good, boys and girls. 50 is a good amount to start with. And again, just work around. I pop this on, go for a little bike ride, make sure that it feels okay, and then I blow it up the rest of the way. So that's it. Hey, if you found this video useful, please give us a big thumbs up. If you have any questions or concerns, you can get a hold of us at www.urtech.ca, or you can leave a question or comment below, and if we don't get back to you, somebody else will, because it's YouTube and everybody's got an opinion. Thanks, have a great day. Bye-bye.